B.Ed second year English pedagogy. Merit of multilingualism. It is multilingualism is helpful in cognitive development. Cognitive means संज्ञानात्मक. Multilingualism helps in problem solving. Multilingualism promotes understanding or power extension in other language. Multilingualism provides job opportunities in different countries. Multilingualism promotes supertasking. Multilingualism helps in understanding diverse culture. Lingualism. Multilingualism helps in learning new language easily. The merits of multilingualism. Multilingualism arises fear of losing the level or the effect of mother tongue. Multilingualism creates a distraction from the main content in target language. Multilingualism mixing up languages provide dullness in language learning. Role of home language. Mother is the first teacher of a child. A child learns speak his mother language, that is called mother tongue. Home language is used in primary school education. Teachers should care to honor and respect the learner's home language. At primary level, teachers should not make an attempt to correct the errors in human language of learner. Home language is achieved from local, streets, neighborhood, and social environment. Home language helps a learner in effective learning at target language. Home language provides support in learning target language and doesn't hinder. Home language promotes learners for more acquirement of knowledge of target language. Home language give permanent learning. Home language creates a link between home and school. Home language in home language a learner feels safe in school while taught in mother tongue. Home language increases confidence. Mother tongue make the curriculum of target language accessible and feasible for the learners. Bilingual method given by Professor C.J. Dodson. In 1967. Bilingual method language is learned through both language, target language and mother tongue. Bilingual method, it is a midway from GTM, grammar translation method, and DM, direct method. Midway of, na? All the classroom instruction and teaching are done in target language. In bilingual method, all the classroom instruction and teaching are done in target language. Only the teachers can use the mother tongue in bilingual method. Dr. West's new method, reading method, given by Dr. Michael West. Dr. Michael West, the professor at Teachers Training Institute, Dhaka. According to Mr. West, Michael West, Indian should focus on reading and writing skill first. Reading and writing skill first. India is a big country, that is why Michael West focused on reading. Language skills. RWLS, reading, writing, RWLS, reading, writing, learning and speaking. According to West, RWLS. इसके बाद में है लाउड रीडिंग है, इट इज यूज फॉर प्राइमरी लेवल. लाउड रीडिंग प्राइमरी लेवल फॉर लर्निंग रिमेन्स परमानेंट्स. Loud reading creates interest primary level. Silent reading, intentive reading, silent reading, intentive reading and extensive reading. Silent reading, intentive reading and extensive reading. Intentive reading gives deep knowledge about the text. Intentive reading gives deep knowledge about the text. Extensive reading, reading is used for over all understanding of the text. All understanding of the text. Teaching roles. The teacher works as an orchestra player who controls, guides, regulates the class. The teacher is active in ALM. In ALM. Learners roles. The learners becomes mechanized. Learners doesn't use his thought process. He learners only learns through imitation. Demerit of ALM. Learner's thought process doesn't work in this way. ALM. He doesn't learn new things. Demerits of ALM. It neglects ALM neglects the use of mother tongue and reading and writing language. ALM language. All the language items cannot be taught through AL structural method. Language is learned through the graded structure. In structure method. Structure method graded structure 275. Graded vocabulary 3000. 2500 active vocabulary, 500 passive vocabulary. Type of structures 275. Type of structure 275. Idioms. Something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. Subject plus verb. Birds fly. SVO. He teaches a class. As we see, he is a player. Complement या extra information. As we indirect object plus direct object. Tom gave Mary indirect object, direct object a flower. Tom gave Mary a flower. Features of direct method. Direct method got its principles from Germany and France, but it direct method popularized in America. Direct method is called direct method because it establishes a direct or immediate connection with the words and its meaning. Direct method teacher teaches through demonstration. In direct method, translation is strictly prohibited. In direct method, the use of mother tongue is also prohibited. In direct method, all the classroom instruction are done in target language. In direct method, unit of teaching is sentence. In direct method, direct method is learner centered method. Fluency is emphasized, not accuracy. In direct method, grammar is not taught separately. In direct method, grammar is taught inductively. Example to rules. Inductively मतलब example to rules. Grammar is taught inductively. Grammar जो है inductively taught की जाती है in direct method. In direct method, grammar is taught inductively. Inductively मतलब means example to rules. Use of audio visual aids. Audio visual aids is used in direct method. Demerits of direct method. Direct method neglects mother tongue. Direct method neglects reading and writing skill. Direct method is not suitable for slow learners and rural areas and primary level. Direct method is costly method because of use of audio visual aids. Audiolingual method ALM. Other name oral method. Army method is other name of audiolingual method ALM. Fries method. Other name is audiolingual method. Other name is Fries method. Charles Fries, America. That's why his name is Fries method. Michigan method. Michigan University brought it, so it name is Audiolingual method, Michigan method. Informant method. Information is given in this method. That's why informant method. Army method. It was used during World War II. That's why its name is Army method. Also ALM method. Informant method. The audiolingual method, ALM method, was used to get information. That's why its name also name is informant method. Charles Fries was the professor at Michigan University, America, popularized this ALM method, audiolingual method. That's why it's called Charles Fries method. ALM is based on B. F. Skinner's theory of learning. B. F. Skinner's theory. ALM is based on B. F. Skinner's theory of learning. The term audiolingualism was coined by Nelson Brooks. The term audiolingualism was coined by Nelson Brooks. ALM was developed by Charles Fries. ALM was developed by Charles Fries. The term and audiolingualism was coined by Nelson Brooks. Key points: ALM and DM, direct method, have many similarities, like both reject the use of mother tongue and both focuses on listening and learning skills, but have dissimilarity that DM, direct method, focus on vocabulary, but ALM focuses on chilling of grammatical structure ड्रिलिंग मीन्स बनाने, बार बार प्रयत्न करने में ऑफ ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर इन ऑडियोलिंगुअल मेथड. ALM. Grammar is not taught separately in as also direct method and ALM method. Grammar is taught inductively also in direct method and audiolingual method. New item is presented in dialogue form in direct method and audiolingual method. Audiolingual students learn the new concept through mimicry and imitation. Bilingual method writers: Johann Seduster, H.S. Klendort, जॉन मेडिंजर, शुरुआत करने वाले प्रो फाउंडर, कार्ल प्लोट्स इन bilingual method. Key facts, merits. Bilingual method doesn't follow psychological principle, but bilingual method has two psychological view. Any language can be learned through translation in bilingual method. Grammar is the soul of any language. Word for word translation is done. Unit of teaching word. According to Richards and Roger sentence, bilingual dictionary is used. Mother tongue dominates the class. Every new word is translated from the target language to mother tongue and vice versa. Cramming and poetic is the feature of GTM. Grammar translation is taught deductively. Grammar is taught deductively. The teacher is active in GTM, grammar translation method. The learner is passive. The mistake of GTM, grammar translation method: it neglects listening and speaking skill. It is not beneficial for smart average student or average student. Less use of audio visual aids. GTM doesn't focus on fluency but only focuses on accuracy. GTM is a teacher-centered method, not learner-centered. Direct method, 1901 France. Other names of direct method: DM, natural method, psychological method, phonetic method is also name of direct method. Anti-grammarian method, also name of DM method. Barrett's, Charles Barrett's, America. That's why his name is Barrett's method. Writer Govin, Charles Barrett's, Frank or Saussure. Remedial teaching has great importance for weak, underachieved, slow learners, students who are unable to keep pace with average students and intelligent students. Remedial teaching enable to keep pace with average student and intelligent students. In remedial teaching, there must be separate arrangement of all remedial teaching. The programs addresses learning gaps by designed to close the gap between what students know and what they are expected to know. Remedial teaching involves taking a child from greater achievement implies that the child has inherent potentialities to achieve more. Reason or problem of re- remedial teaching: lack of motivation, having low expectation, poor comprehensive power, poor memory, lack of confidence, inability to grasp knowledge and information, less interest of parents, the irregular of attendance in remedial method, unable to like the knowledge of different subject. Remedial teaching fills the learning gap. Remedial teaching provides learning support to students who lay behind their counterparts. Remedial teaching develops generic skills, LSRW. Remedial teaching teaches again the language items not properly learnt. Remedial teaching diagnoses learning difficulties, removes physical, emotional, and defeats of children. Remedial teaching resolves conflicts. Remedial teaching helps in retaining homogeneity in the class. Remedial teaching it rectifies corrects the concept which have been misunderstood. Remedial teaching focuses on skill rather than on contents. Remedial skill or strategy of remedial teaching. Design